Welcome back, brothers and sisters. This is some random comedy, and there is some wee things I've mentioned in previous videos of things that have happened over the past few years. Well, buckle up, because I'm going to use some comedy to enlighten people on some of these videos. So anyway, this is for this. I remember you a couple of years ago. So for those that are new to watching, this is funny, but this is for a certain person that made the fatal mistake of coming at me. So this one particular person asked me, am I here? Well, as far as I'm aware, I am. But I've also asked that question, or am I? Am I here, or am I invisible, or am I just passing through?